beautiful day in nature where my wing is hurt. I'm fixing my wing, how it fixed. Alright, well guys, let's go on a nature hunt. Let's go on a nature hike. Hey. Sapphire, stop crying, idiot. As you can see, we have killed another human. Or scavenger. Scavenger! Ah! This is scary! Ah! 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 Well, I guess we have a scavenger to kill again.
Yeah, you do. Better run.
He's right.
I'm right behind you.
And you're screwed. No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are, dog.
How do you know my name?
Glad you asked. No one cares how I got that, okay? Go. I'm gonna let you go this time, okay? But next time you try to disturb me in my sleep, you will die.
Okay, yes, sir. Do your dirt.
What'd you just say?
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay. I guess you're my friend now, Doug.
No, I'm not. I just hate my brother.
You are dead now. I gotta put you all in jail. Because your brother tried to kill me. Are those your kids?
Yes.
Gimme! Ah! Shh. All right, guys, you're going to jail now.